Okay, easy now.
500 kilograms, exactly. QR scanned.
Next bin ready.
No. Rotating nylon scrubbers are the secret to removing stubborn orchard residue. A high-speed precision blade that slices the skin but leaves the juice sacs intact. The vibrating separator shows how the seeds are shaken out of their skins.
Watch that pile up right there. Looks like a clog starting.
Yeah, I see it. Keep an eye on the sensor.
Why press the seeds instead of blending them? Blending creates heat that kills nutrients. Cold pressing keeps the juice alive. Clarification without chemicals. Cross-flow ultrafiltration. This removes yeast, mold, and large proteins, ensuring shelf stability. How do you wash 20,000 bottles an hour? An automated merry-go-round that flips, blasts, and dries bottles in seconds. Why use lasers to write on glass? Ink can rub off. A laser-etched serial number is permanent and impossible to fake. Why use lasers to write on glass? Ink can rub off. A laser-etched serial number is permanent and impossible to fake. Why are the boxes going to the ceiling? To save floor space and use gravity to help move them to the giant robotic palletizer. It's called an interlocking pattern. It locks the boxes together so the whole stack doesn't fall over in the truck.
What is that gunk at the bottom of the tank? It's called lees, spent yeast. If you don't remove it, the wine tastes like bread instead of fruit.
Spinning the wine at 6,000 RPM, the force is so strong it pulls every microscopic speck out of the liquid. The machine squeezes the cork to half its size before slamming it into the glass neck, where it expands to form a permanent seal.
Why don't the glass bottles shatter under 87,000 pounds of pressure? Because the pressure is isostatic, equal on all sides.
Is this juice? No, it's 50 times stronger. This extract contains the equivalent antioxidant power of an entire orchard in one small tank.
How fine can a pomegranate be ground? We grind it down to 10 microns, so fine that it can pass directly into your bloodstream.
Why is there a little packet in your pills? It's a moisture magnet. It sucks up any humidity that might make your supplements go soft or spoil.
Why does a pill bottle need a box? Double protection. The box keeps the glass safe from light and adds a layer of premium information for the customer. Why keep the seeds in the jam? Those are the arils. They provide a burst of fresh juice and a satisfying crunch.
The hot steam pushes all the air out. When the jam cools, that steam turns back into water, creating
Why shower the jam in cold water? If the jam stays hot for too long, it loses its bright red color and turns.
can wash away, but a laser mark is part of the glass. It's a permanent ID card for every single jar.
What is pomegranate molasses? It's juice that has been boiled down until it's as thick. Check the sensor on the vortex flow.
Looks good. We are at 500 milliliters.
How does that look? Perfect seal. Ready for the tag.
Is that real gold?
Yes, 24-karat gold flakes act as a natural anti-inflammatory, and they look stunning in the bottle.
How do they get it so exact? A laser-guided piston that measures the liquid to 1,000th of a gram. Every bottle is identical.
Can a tiny bubble ruin a $200 serum? Yes, it indicates a seal failure. Our AI